Still in St. Elizabeth, a family is seeking answers after a 6-year-old boy who was taken to hospital for a broken arm ended up dead. Vashon Brown has the details.
They can't explain to me what really happened. Nobody can give me an answer what happened with him.
Shanique Brown of Elim, St. Elizabeth, frustrated following the death of her 6-year-old son Neymar Bryan. She said on Sunday, May 15, he was rushed to the Mandeville Regional Hospital because his hand was broken. She said she was there with him all day Sunday, and by Monday,
they sent him to plaster the hand. I said to the man in the plaster room that the hand shouldn't be plastered because the doctor said that he was going to stretch it to get back the bone in place. He started arguing with me.
By Tuesday, the child started complaining that the plaster was too tight.
I found out the Tuesday night that the hand is swollen and the hand is black. I said it to the nurse. She said that it is a broken hand and it would swell and the plaster would feel tight. It's nothing for me to worry about. When the doctor came on the ward, I pointed it out to him. He said that the cast is tight and he was going to cut it to release it, which he did.
But nothing changed. The hand was still swollen and black. By Wednesday morning,
the head doctor came with a group of other doctors, and when they came to his bed, the head doctor took off the cast and said that they are going to do a surgery on the hand to release the pressure of the hand.
the mother said she was later told that the hand was infected and would need to be amputated to prevent the infection from spreading to the rest of his body.
After they amputate the hand, they bring him back to his hospital bed. When I went there, I found out that he was cold. I asked the nurse about it. They told me that it was part of the surgery thing, that whenever they go into surgery, because the room is cold, their body temperature normally go down. So he would be cold, but I should give him something warm to bring back up his body temperature.
By Thursday, May 19, the child said he was feeling pain.
He said to me, "Mommy, I love you." I said, "I love you too, baby." And he said to me, "Mommy, put me for sit up, let me get some water." When I put him to sit up on the bed, him just dropped on him back. And I touch him and he look at me and I say, "You're going to hurt yourself, you know." And I get up now to fix him properly on the bed. I found out that his eyes were just staring and he wasn't breathing.
We were told doctors tried to revive him but were unsuccessful. The mother said she was later told that toxins entered his bloodstream and that resulted in his death. But not satisfied, family members want answers.
I'm in disbelief, I'm numb, I would say I'm caught up of what happened. Because we tried, his mother head to the place that she feel safe, that you know, you go to help, you go for help.
We can't understand how a broken arm can cause death. We don't know what to do. We need help.
We contacted the senior medical officer at the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Dr. Everton McIntosh, who says the matter is under investigation and so he cannot comment at this time. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.